Hello.
Hello.
So go on, intro.
I got these a while ago. I don't think they have them in anymore. Poundland, is it say? Yeah, Poundland, £1.
So when you say a while ago, how long?
I think it was this time last year.
Okay.
But I hadn't seen that logo in a while.
Oh, I want that pirate. So
Based on your past record, that means you're probably going to get the pirate.
I want the pirate.
So, Series 4, apparently there's been 3 other series.
Oh, it's Plants vs Zombies. Oh, it's a computer game.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it looked a bit strange. So I guess we only get one. Either a plant or a zombie. 5 plus age. PopCap, 2016 Electronics Arts.
EA.
Is EA bad?
EA is bad.
I thought that was like EA games. I mean, I think they're bad because they're pink.
No, it goes Electronic Arts.
Oh,
It's in
okay.
the game, but it's not. It's in a profit.
Okay. Made in China. Fabrique en China. Heco en China. Is that how you say it?
No idea.
Connects. It's got like an American flag on it. Recyclable or recycled. I don't know what that means. Connects.com. Facebook.com. Connects. There's some sort of little code thing there. Plants vs Zombies. PopCap EA.
Is that not just a batch number?
Yeah, probably.
Is it the same
They're
batch?
the same. 0516298.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably a batch number then. Please obtain for information, yada yada yada. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, interesting, there's no tear open bit, is there?
We'll use those.
That way you've done that.
Yeah, 'cause look.
Ah, like magic.
Ah. Uh-oh, we can't cross the streams as we turn these over.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to go this way, you go that way. Oh, I got a plant. Oh! You got the pirate!
I'm sorry. You can have the pirate if you want. I'll have the giant pumpkin.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, yours is number 3.
Are we going to jump cut whilst we put this together?
No, we'll speed through it.
So, yeah.
So this is Pirate Man. It's saying anything on the leaflet. He just won't stand up. Number 2. Collect all 8, it says, and he's number 2. Doesn't actually tell you anything about any of them.
No, doesn't.
Just tells you how to put him together. His head was really hard to go on, but the rest seemed okay.
You know, so for £1, I think this is worth it. However, considering it's an EA product,
It feels a bit cheap.
I don't know, I kind of like this.
No, but the plastic doesn't feel very durable.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
It feels quite...
Oh wow, you put him down, he turns into a little sentry bot.
Oh, and his head falls off.
Yeah, he's dead now.
Also, so the thing on his hat, if it'll focus on him, the thing on his hat is like a transfer thing on there, yeah? The thing on his top, I don't know if you can see that, right? But it's literally just a sticker.
You're destroying the pirate, that's not very nice.
I'm just showing everyone that it is literally just a sticker. So they've gone through the effort of printing on his face, printing on that on his hat. Yours is all printed, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All of that is printed on there, yeah? And yet the pirate's top is a sticker.
Yeah.
Is that not weird?
It is weird, but I do kind of like these, and for £1 I think
They
they're
are
worth
quite cool for £1, I think.
it. Yeah.
And you get to put it together, and I presume, depending on which ones you had, you could sort of switch bits around.
Probably.
But yeah, 8 to collect. That was Sue's fault. And I got them so long ago that they probably don't sell them anymore.
They're probably serious candle. I'm trying to get him to like crouch. He looks like he's shooting the camera.
Stop falling over.
Is he tight? There you go. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.